So now we are in this page and we need to find a way to just, if we're going to visit a blog post, so we should find a way to just click here, and maybe later on we can send a link around the title. But so when we click here, we need to go to the page. So let's go to the blog item, and where we are saying read more, we have a href. So let's just update it quickly to something more meaningful. And we need to say go to the blog, and then the ID will be ID. At the moment we don't have the ID. So what we really need to do is we need to, from the thisprops.blog, we need to extract ID as well. So I am going to extract ID, and also we need slug, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds why do we need slug. So if I go to the localhost 3000, the home page, and just refresh our page, okay, good. And if you see the link here, we have the link with the ID, and I am also going to just create a blog page to show the ID in a few seconds. But the link behind this one is not really what we need, because the link is not user-friendly, and I'm going to show you in a few seconds how it works, and we need to make it friendly. So let's go to the pages, create a file called blog.js. I've got a snippet, so I'm going to just use this one here, and I'm going to extract it later on, blog, and also this one should be blog. I'm going to return h1, which will be this is blog page. I'm going to save it. Now we should be able to see it. So if I click on the read more, we're on the blog page, we have the ID, and this is the blog page. But as I said, we need to have more friendly URL, because this one is not really something that anyone going to use in a modern application. So let's go back to the blog item. If you remember, we had the slug here, and in the link we can also put a mask, which that mask could be something like this, as equal the same thing. So whatever we put here, the user will see this one. So I'm going to call it blog and then pass the slug. So I think so. This is the URL which user will see, and this is the actual URL. So let's see it then. I'll go to the home page, and now if I click on read more, you see the link here on the bottom left, and you see we have a more user-friendly URL. So if I click there, we have the hello-slug. There is a bit of issue here, and the issue is if I try to refresh the page, I will get a 404. This is something we're going to fix in the next video.